Start by assuming any gap larger than a quarter-inch can be a rodent entry point and focus your inspection there. Begin exterior inspection at the foundation and work upward, walking the perimeter slowly while shining a bright flashlight into gaps, vents, and where utilities enter. Pay special attention to crawl spaces, soffits, eaves, and areas where different building materials meet because rodents exploit seams and voids. Feel for drafts with your hand and use a pocket mirror to view concealed cavities. For holes through masonry or concrete, insert galvanized hardware cloth cut to size and secure with mortar or masonry screws. For wood siding or trim, use 100% silicone caulk for hairline gaps and 2 mm stainless steel mesh for larger breaches, fastening the mesh with corrosion-resistant staples or screws. Around pipes and conduits, pack rock wool or copper mesh tightly, then seal over it with exterior-grade caulk to prevent the material from being pushed out. Inside crawl spaces, insulate and cover vents with rigid metal screens, elevate and organize stored materials so nothing touches the soil, and install a durable door or hatch with tight gasketing to stop squeeze-through entries. Use a systematic mapping approach by numbering inspected openings and recording repairs on a simple diagram so nothing gets missed during follow-up inspections, and ask a helper to probe from the inside while you examine the outside to catch overlapping gaps. Homeowners often underestimate gaps under exterior doors by assuming thresholds are tight when there is actually a quarter-inch or larger clearance. Install a metal threshold or an adjustable sweep and test with a business card to ensure it will not pull through. People also ignore attic and soffit access panels. Secure those panels with screws and add metal screening behind vents so squirrels and rats cannot gnaw through. Finally, relying solely on poison or traps without sealing points causes recurring problems because survivors simply move to the nearest unsealed opening. Always complete exclusion work first, and then place monitoring traps to confirm closure success. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to help contractors find work that matches their skills and availability. Our site also hosts a discussion community where homeowners and pros share experiences and tips about sealing entry points and managing crawl spaces.